In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close TeamViewer. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to shut it down, plus what to do if it won't respond. First, open TeamViewer so you can see its main window. If it's already running in the background, you might not see the window right away, and that's okay. TeamViewer often sits in the notification area on your taskbar near the clock. A reliable way to close it is from that taskbar area. Look for the TeamViewer icon there, then right-click it to bring up its menu. Choose Close. This cleanly shuts down the application and disconnects any active remote sessions. If you're in the middle of a connection, make sure you've saved your work on the remote computer before closing, because ending the app will cut off that session immediately. You can also close TeamViewer directly from the app window. Bring the TeamViewer window to the front, then click the X in the upper right corner of the screen. That's the standard close button in Windows. If you click the X and the window just minimizes to the taskbar instead of closing, don't worry. Some versions are set to minimize on close. In that case, use the taskbar icon method I just mentioned to finish shutting it down. Prefer using the keyboard? With the TeamViewer window selected, press Alt plus F4. This does the same thing as clicking the X and is handy when you want to close the app quickly without reaching for the mouse. Just be sure the TeamViewer window is active before you press the keys, or you'll close whatever app is currently in focus. If none of those options work, maybe the app is frozen or unresponsive, open Task Manager. One quick way is to press Ctrl, Shift, and S together. In Task Manager, find TeamViewer in the list of running apps, right-click TeamViewer, and then click End Task. This force quits the program. Use this only when the normal close methods fail, because force closing will immediately end any active remote sessions and may cause you to lose unsaved work in that session. That's it. Start with the simple close from the taskbar icon, the X button, or Alt plus F4, and if TeamViewer won't respond, use Task Manager to end the task. The next time you need it, you can reopen TeamViewer as usual. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you shut it down quickly and confidently whenever you need to.